Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at ONN Ear Clip Sport Headphones. This like neon yellowish green color one. So I picked it up over at Walmart for about $9.95 or something like that. So about $10. I really like the little earbuds that you just put in your ear. I kind of like to have something that goes around my ear. You know what I mean? I like them to be a little more secure while moving around and stuff. So I kind of go for these ones that they also kind of call fish hooks, because they hook around your ear. But yeah, let's see if we can get the camera to focus here. So a sweat-resistant clip, lightweight design with soft, flexible fit. Okay, inline microphone. Okay, that's something that's kind of new. Well, I mean it's not new. I mean the technology's been out, but I mean it's new to me that never on the front of the box, or the sides of the box, or the top, or the bottom does it say built-in inline microphone. It only says on the back of the box. And then, of course, you have your standard 3.5mm audio input. So, that's, your standard, and then, Walmart.com and all that stuff. Links down below in the description. But yeah, I mean, that's not really that great of a product marketing. You know what I'm saying? When they're like, oh, hey, you know what? Let's just advertise it as a standard old pair, headphone, earbuds, with these little like fish hook type of older ear loops, to secure them. But let's not mention anything that, you could be on your iPhone or Android phone or whatever phone that supports, voice, video calls and stuff like that. No, they have to tell you on the back of the box. Couldn't just go BAM on the front of the box. Like, it's Ear Clip Sport Headphones. And it also has a freaking mic. So, you could be talking to yourself and people be like, what's wrong with that person? Why is that person talking to us? And like, oh, they got those headphones on that has the inline microphone, so instead, that's why you don't see that person actually holding, their cell phone and be like, yeah, what? Okay. No, it's too high here. Eggs, I could get them cheaper in another store. Yeah, I'll get them, but not at this store, The prices are too high. But, like I said, they only mention the inline microphone on the back of the box. Not that great a sound point. I was like, hey, if they didn't have an inline mic, who cares, I just bought them for, a pair of earbud headphones, with this little fish hooks, that goes over your ear to keep them in place. But I mean, that's kind of a bonus, but we'd love to see products that actually mention the features and stuff, especially important features like inline microphone on the front of the box, on the sides of the box, on the top of the box. I really don't know why they're put on the bottom of the box, but you know what I mean. That just makes it seem like, oh hey, you know what, for $7 I could get just a standard pair that looks like this, or for about, I don't know, $2 to $3 more, give or take, depending on where you bought them at. I could also have with an inline microphone, That would be, better product placement, maybe worth like, a couple dollars more, and getting a little bit more of a better product. Versus, oh, hey, it's just a standard product then. What? It's a surprise? You get that? So what else do we get here? Which, again, they don't even mention on the box. There's not even a little piece of paper in here. But you do get little extra pieces to put on there so that they fit your ear. Big ones. I'm guessing also the small ones because they still like to be the medium-sized ones, I'm guessing. Although these two look kind of the same, but I'm guessing these are the medium ones. That's pre-installed. Okay, let's see. How do we? Wow, they even did a whole job at this. I mean, they tamed it up with the cord here. Then they have, this little twist tie, which doesn't really do it justice because everywhere else is all bit on matted knot. So I guess we just want it like this. Okay. You know, some of the bots don't tell you how long the freaking cord is, you know? So, a lot of bad things. On the front bots, they don't tell you that it has an inline mic. They tell you that on the bad bots. They don't tell you, hey, it comes actually, like little ear cushions, so that you could get it to fit your ear. No, they don't tell you that. They only tell you the length for how much cord you have going on here. I mean, really, for 10 hours, they could do, a lot more. Other features on here, like inline mic. As to, things to customize your ear to find a somewhat perfect fit. How long the cord is. No, they're just like, we'll just stick it in a box and put a price tag on it. Yeah. That's not really how you do business. That's not how you market your products, okay? These companies got to wake up and realize, if their product has an inline mic, mention it. Mention it on the front of the box. So this way people can say, I can save a couple dollars and just get a standard one, which is what it looks like from the front of the box, just a standard pair of headphones, or spend a couple dollars more and get one with an inline mic. Maybe people realize, what is this product actually offering for a little bit more price? How long is the cord? What else does it come with? What does it not come with? That is good product marketing. What these companies are doing nowadays, horrible, bad product marketing. It's like, why do you come with a product if you can't even market it? You can't even put the information on the bots. You can't even put on the bots where people is going to actually lift it when it's on the racks in the store shelves, on those little pegboards and stuff. Yeah. But anyway, let's go ahead and give it a listen. This is my own video, that I upload here to YouTube. So hopefully I won't get any copyright strikes on my own video. If I do, YouTube algorithm run by computers, not up to date, and the people that they do have that are humans, they put it all day. That's like saying, okay, you're a mechanic, but you're going to perform brain surgery. I'm a mechanic. All I know is how, fix cars. I don't know how to work on people's brains. No, this is YouTube. You're a mechanic. We put you in this section where you are now a brain surgeon. Hey, you're a doctor? You're a brain surgeon? You're going to be an architect. You're going to be designing houses, a contractor. What? That's how YouTube is run. It's crazy. It's messed up. They need to get the right people in the right spots doing the right jobs. They need to fix the computers, update them, make the algorithms better, put new code and stuff in there. Yeah, YouTube is kind of messed up and wacky. Now, I do notice that this piece is bent here. Instead of being a straight piece, they don't even mention that the little input jack for the 3.5 is a curved little angle bent shape, instead of just being a complete straight shape. So let's pop that in. Hopefully you can hear this. Where is the mic on my camera? I feel right here. So hopefully the built-in mic on the camera, you can pick up the sound. I'm going to kind of put it next to my ears to hear it. The sound is not loud. I do have the volume turned up all the way. And that volume is blaring. It is just blasting away. And it doesn't sound that loud compared to other headphones that I have, like, the knock-off AirPods, and like other headphones. They don't sound that loud. But one thing that I will say The sound quality is crystal clear. I'm not getting any like welcome to Burger King, that curved up, muffled mouth sound. I'm not getting any of that coming from these, okay? Because usually you hear a pair of headphones, and sometimes the quality doesn't sound that loud. They sound muffled up, and it's like going through a drive-through, or it's talking on a walkie-talkie, where it's like, pss, 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 what's your 20? Pss, Whopper! Pss, and a Big Mac too! Pss. Or like how sometimes people, when they have like gaming headsets, they put it a little too close to their mouth and nose, and like, okay, you just need to move it back a little bit, tweak your volume and your amps and stuff. But yeah, so I will say the quality of them, they are clear. You can hear things crystal clear, just not super loud. That is kind of bad. And here's kind of what the built-in mic looks like, which I don't really know. Yeah, there's not even a push to talk button. Like most ones, they have a push button that you can push it or flip a little switch to mute the mic. Well, you just want to listen to your music, and then you could just push the button or flip the little switch and then answer the call. Other ones that I had, which were like a pair of Sonys, which were pretty awesome ones. You could push a little button to go forward to the next video, push it back if you watch a movie to go back a couple seconds. This one, nothing. But I mean, for $10, I guess it's not bad for the price. $10. I see other ones that were way worse, like Skull Candy, that was going for like $18. By the way, Skull Candy, those ones, they fell apart. Sony's were pretty good. I had like 2